What's going on, guys? It's me, Jailus, and today we're gonna be creating a frozen effect in Photoshop. So first, create a selection to your subject. I already have mine selected here. And now just drag over your eyes image to your subject. Now just click the move tool, right click, and create clipping mask. Now change the blending mode from normal to screen. But what if you only want the arms to be frozen? So just click the layer mask icon here to create a layer mask. Choose a brush tool by pressing B. Your opacity and flow at 100%, and it should be a soft round brush. Now your foreground and background color should be white and black. So you can change simultaneously to this one by pressing X. So if you want something to be erased, use a black foreground like this. And if you want to paint back some eyes, just hit X on your keyboard to bring back the foreground color to white and maybe lower the opacity. And just paint over like this. And that's it. I also provided the links of these images down below. Please check it out if you want to try. And I hope you've learned something from this tutorial. Hit that like button and notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on my next video.